Looking to move to a specific directory within Windows Command Prompt but aren't exactly sure how to do it? Well, this is Tech Simplicity, and you're watching the Change Directory command explained. What's going on, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Change Directory command within the Windows Command Prompt. That said, let's get right into it. To begin, open a Windows Command Prompt. Once this is open, you can use the Change Directory command to navigate to any folder on the computer that you wish. For instance, I'm going to navigate with my command prompt from its current location of C users Mike to the public user folder on this computer. And for a detailed breakdown, I will show you how to do it from the root folder all the way forward to the public folder. In other words, we'll go all the way back to the root of C and then work our way into the users folder and then into the public folder. So I will start by typing the command cd space C:/ and then hit enter on my keyboard. This will then take me back to the root of the C drive. Then I'll type the next command, which is cd space users, and then hit enter. This will then take me into the C users folder. Then I will type my last command, which is cd space public, and this will take me into the public folder. Now that I'm in the public user folder, if I wanted to navigate further into a subfolder that exists within this folder, I could type cd space and then hit the tab button on my keyboard, and it will auto-populate a list of all the folders that exist within that directory for me. And if I find one that I want to enter, such as this one called libraries, I can just stop on it and then hit enter. And as you can see, the path is now C users public libraries, meaning that I'm now within the library subfolder of the overall public user file folder. Anyway, this can be an extremely helpful tool if you need to execute a batch script, an executable, an MSI file, or other things via command. Anyway, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to subscribe for future content, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time.